Hello, this is Leah from Kali, and in this brief tutorial, you're going to learn how to upload files to your Google Drive. Google Drive is a virtual storage space. Now, you have plenty of tools where you can create things such as folders or docs or slides, which is kind of like PowerPoint. But you also have the ability to store files in here. And as you're going to see in this really quick tutorial, it's super easy and you can pretty much upload any kind of file type you've ever dreamed of. So let's go ahead and open up our folder. Now you'll note that I'm using the folder that I used in the setting up your Google Drive area tutorial, so be sure to check that out as well. But we're just going to head into Spring and say we are working on files for EDU 122. We're going to head into Module 1 because this is for Module 1, and we're working on class assignments. So I have quite a few files on my desktop. That just happens to be where I store things, but you can just as easily open up another folder on your computer. And note that the directions I'm showing you are being done on a PC, but you can just as easily do the same exact process on a Mac. So you'll see that we're in a folder, and you can follow the breadcrumbs back to see exactly where that folder is. And what we're going to start doing is trying out some of these files and uploading them. So I can drag and drop files in, and you'll see this is a PowerPoint file that I have. I'm just going to drag and drop that in, and you'll see that it uploads here on the right hand side. I get a little upload, and there is a little green check mark that will appear once your file has uploaded. There we go, show you that check mark. And I can also upload other kinds of file types, such as maybe an MP3 clip. I'm working on some sort of video and I have MP3 clips that I want to upload, and those will upload to this space as well. You notice that it takes just a second for things to upload here. Now, you can also upload in other ways. For example, I could go to New and then do File Upload this way and upload another kind of file type. But one cool thing that Google has recently added to Drive is the ability to upload an entire folder. So say you have a folder on your desktop where you've placed different kinds of files, just as I'm doing now. You can actually go to New and Folder Upload and upload that folder as well. You'll see that the folder uploads, and then all the files inside of that folder will appear once they are done uploading as well. Some file types will take a little bit longer than others, but for the most part, as long as you don't have a very large video file, they're going to upload relatively quickly, and you'll see you get that countdown on the right hand side letting you know how many files it's actually uploaded inside the folder and how many it has left to go. Another very common file type that we see is a zip file, and so one of your teachers may ask you to zip a file. So on a Mac it's called compress, but same sort of thing where you're going to get your menu either by right clicking or control clicking or command clicking on a Mac, and you get your menu however you get your menu, and then you would compress it. So in the case of a PC, I usually have a send to compress zipped folder. On a Mac you'll see something similar, and once you compress it, it looks a lot like this with a zipper on it. And you can upload these files as well. And what it does is it creates a kind of zipped up folder that's just the same as the one I have up here, except it's the zipped version. So that is a brief overview of how you can upload files. One very last thing is that you can easily drag and drop folders as well. All right, so happy uploading and good luck with Google Drive.